what is the basic definition of peace in journalism?
Thank you very much. Actually, we work for peace. Sub-journalist forum, South Asian countries, our journalist in international organization already work for peace in South Asian zone. It is our main vision mission to work peaceful area in this region. But we work, every country must be want to be peace, but critically this time is passing in this moment. We like India, Bangladesh, like India, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, and we are journalists always trying to solve this problem and trying this peaceful this area to creative beauty and this organization. Our organization always work this stabilities, this peace, human rights, democratic alliance, and peace, our press freedom, and other alliance. We are all time to time already arranging an international seminar